Out of crisis comes opportunity. As environmental author Paul Hawken reminds us, sustainability is about stabilizing the relationship between Earth and human activity.
Welcome to Reimagine LA, where community eco-projects are powering the future through green infrastructure, eco-friendly urban design, and urban renewal green initiatives.
Los Angeles is rising from the ashes, reimagining neighborhoods to align with LA environmental goals and the ambitious Sustainability LA 2030 vision.
Join us at GEC5, the Green Economy Conference, on June 25th, 26th at the LA Arboretum.